Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make a text highlight effect in CapCut on PC. So, to make an animated text highlighter in CapCut, it's really simple. First, we have our sample clip on the timeline. Suppose we want to highlight this part of the text. For that, go to the text section, left-click, drag, and drop a text box onto your timeline. Let's give it the same length as our video footage. Now, go to Text and Basics. Let's change the text color so that we can see it properly. Delete the default text input by typing multiple hyphens to create a long dash. Then, scroll down to spacing and adjust the character spacing to -2 or -3 to bring the dashes closer together. Scroll up and click on the color option to copy the hex value of the text color. Next, scroll down to the background option and enable it. This will create a background for your text. Move the text over the part you want to highlight. Reduce the background opacity so that you can see the text through it. Adjust the X and Y offset to position the background correctly over the text. Now, reduce the height of the background to make it look like a highlighter. Add more hyphens if needed to cover the full text area. Increase the width a little bit to ensure it covers the text completely. Change the background color to match the text color you copied earlier and increase the opacity to 100%. Now, go to the Animation tab and search for Wipe Right. Apply this animation to the text. It might be too fast initially, so adjust the slider to change the animation duration. Let's set it to 2.5 seconds. Once you're happy with the animation, right-click on the text layer and select Create Compound Clip. This will group the text and animation together. Go to Video Basics, find the Blend Mode option and change it to Multiply. And we are done. Let's see what we have so far. See, it's really simple. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day